Ucraft Website Builder. What is Ucraft? Ucraft is the best website builder for small businesses that allows users from all walks of life to create attractive, professional websites with ease. It is stated in 2014. Ucraft is a user-friendly website builder tool that is easy to use, regardless of your skill level. This drag-and-drop design site will allow you to build an awesome professional and responsive website for anything your brand may need. Ucraft features: first, customizable templates. Second, drag-and-drop. Third, form builder. 4, real-time editing. 5, reporting/analytics. 6, responsive. 7, SEO management. Ucraft Best for. Ucraft Online Website Builder is a platform that's perfect for anyone who wants to create their own beautiful website, projects, business opportunities and events. Ucraft pricing are as follows. Top alternatives for Ucraft: first, Squarespace; second, Wix; third, Weebly; 4, WordPress. Pros: first, strong mobile site customization. Second, modern site templates. Third, image repository for reuse on site. 4, collaborative site editing. 5, good web store options. Cons: first, placing page objects can be awkward. Second, no basic photo editing, not even rotation. Third, no built-in site traffic reporting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools.